let's revisit a stock that was the most talked about just 2 months ago, and that is SmileDirect Club. Ticker is SDC. The stock was talked about how there might be a possible short squeeze. I did a couple of videos. There was a high short interest, and thankfully I bought shares instead of call options, which would have all expired worthless because the price is now trading at $270. So this stock has been underperforming. The stock was once trading around $16. This was back early this year, and it's just been on a downtrend. We just have to be very careful when we're watching these YouTube videos, because most of the time the people talking about it, they're not investing in the stock. For me, when I talk about stock, I'm usually either in it or I'm planning to buy it. So as you can see here, SDC, I have shares, 600 shares with a cost average of $663. Trading, investing is not easy, guys. And I know that when you go on Twitter or some of the YouTube channels, all they do is flaunt gains after gains, but that's not reality. Take a look at SDC, it's down to $3. We have Wish, remember Wish? It's at $3. Clover Health is at $4. So a lot of these stocks are completely being hammered day after day. And people don't like to talk about losses because, one, it is very depressing. And secondly, if they have a membership, they don't want to post their losses, or they're not even trading most of the time. I am on their website, so let's take a look at some recent news here. Go down. December 7th, SmileDirect Club announces departure of CFO. And then we have SmileDirect Club partners with celebrity cosmetic dentist. December 6th, SmileDirect Club taps oral care industry veteran to lead its growing global partner network. Okay, that's good. November 15th, SmileDirect Club announces next generation treatment planning system, Smile OS. Okay, those are bullish news. And let's take a look at their earnings. 2021 results. Revenue for the quarter was $137.7 million, which is down 18.3% year over year and 21% over quarter 2 2021, primarily due to the continuation and acceleration of the macroeconomic headwinds. Quarter 3 adjusted EBITDA was $54 million for the quarter, down. Net loss for the quarter was $89.4 million. Yeah, they did not do well at all this quarter. They did not do well at all quarter 3. Gross margin for the quarter was 71%. Investments in streamlining our manufacturing are creating positive trends in turnaround time, higher positivity, reduction in scrap, more consistent and superior product for our club members. Our long-term gross margin targets of 85% of revenue remains intact, and we are well positioned to achieve this target at normalized revenue levels. Marketing and selling expenses were $96 million, or 70% of net revenue. Well, they have 164 permanent Smile Shop locations, and then current partner network global locations are now 735 active. Recently launched in Germany and Spain. Let's take a look at their balance sheets. They ended quarter 3 with $307 million in cash. The convertible debt financing strengthens their balance sheets with a minimal equity dilution and fortifies against a protracted COVID environment, while also enabling to us to comfortably execute our growth strategy over the coming years, while also investing in R&D innovation and other business development opportunities. Long-term outlook. So this is very important. While current performance is being impacted by near-term microeconomic factors, their long-term plan remains intact. They are managing the business to drive towards long-term financial targets, which includes 20 to 30% revenue growth per year. And to achieve that, they are allocating their resources to make significant investments in customer experience, partner network, and overinvestment to international markets. Quarter 4 revenue is expected to be 120 million to 140 million. So now they are focusing on accommodating new consumer on-ramps to clear aligner therapy through the professional channel. On the professional channel, their partner network is now across 735 practices that are live or pending training. We won't know what's going to happen until the next quarter earnings report comes out. So in the meantime, I would highly suggest staying away from short-term call options unless you know that the stock is going to go up. I just don't want to see anyone losing money on call options. I get that you can make a lot of money, especially if the stock goes up, but most of the time it's actually trading sideways or it's going down, as we can see with SDC. Another way you can trade SDC if you're bullish is to sell options. We'll take a look at the January 2022 expiration dates. For the 250 strike, you can receive $20. I know $20 is not a lot of money, but $20 can get you a very nice meal at McDonald's, a drink, fries, and even their pies. So that's one way to look at it. And this is almost a 10% return because you do need to put up the collateral, and the collateral is $250. So this is a great way to receive the premiums and possibly use the premiums to buy shares of SDC. But if you're buying calls, right now the 3 strike price is going for $27. But we don't know if the stock is going to go to 3 or above. So when you're purchasing this option, now your break-even price is actually $3.27. You have to add the premium to the strike price to get your break-even price. People don't really see that, and they see that all it has to go to is 3 to start making money. That's not the case. You have to add the premium to the strike price to get your break-even price. That's only your break-even price. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you have a cost average above $5. And definitely come check out the Patreon Discord page. I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who wants to share ideas and make money together next year. Hopefully next year will be better for a lot of us.